So before we left on our trip, the truck back there had a airbag light that I was gonna have to address when we got back. Here it is, Monday. Get up to go to work, go to start the truck. Battery's dead too. So we've got two things we need to address. But as you can see, not a bad vehicle to be driving in the meantime. So the first thing I did was just to check what my alternator was outputting. It's 14.7, 14.8, so alternator's not the problem. The next step will be to see if we have a parasitic draw on the system that's causing the battery to go dead. I don't think we do, just for the fact that it hasn't been completely dead and it's set for a few days. Alright, to see if there's a parasitic draw on our battery, what we're going to do is remove one of our leads. We need to verify all the doors are shut, keys are out of the ignition. Anything that would put a load on the electrical system needs to be off. And what we want to see is less than a 50 milliamp draw off our battery. So what I'm going to do, use my leads, go in between the battery and the cable itself, and see what we have. So looks like we're good there. There's no parasitic draw on the system. Now if I did see more than 50 milliamp draw here, then what I would do is start pulling fuses from the different systems in the vehicle until this voltage dropped. That would tell me that's the system that's causing the draw. Now that we've verified the alternator's putting out enough juice, there's no parasitic draw on the system, we're going to go ahead and get this battery replaced. Now that we got the battery swapped out, let's go ahead and see if this thing will start. Now that we got that problem taken care of, we'll have to deal with that airbag light. I will put the link to that video in the description.